long live! Long live! Long live! Sheikh Shidul long live! Long live! Long live! No cancellation of Lake Patatu non-tribal! No cancellation of Lake Patatu non-tribal! No cancellation of Lake Patatu non-tribal! KSA long live!
आलो से चिंकी लोग नहीं कहता हम से हमें कौन बात करेगा
Nalipan si pinilaso may long napatito no mayaro si. Kali, iaro si nalipan laso memorandum nang toil officially sang toil lobo. Nilitum nalipan isi memorandum semidi. De. Laso memorandum. Hala. Like this is not just a memorandum, but it is clearly written or flex this ultimatum. De, na memorandum ultimatum. Aro amar ultimatum hoise 5 days. De, 5 days. Juntu ami memorandum submit korisu tate point wise likha ase. Jitu 5 days or pisot. Jitu apnaloke ekku nokore to apuni risk lobo niki. Risk anima. Will you able to take risks? Will you be held responsible on behalf of the Land and Revenue Department? If you can monitor risk and then don't see no problem. On behalf of Aero lo mati nang leke. Tame nili tumke Aero ke not physically nang dodun de mati. Tame mo next nili tum 5 days afit kibang dan nali hati nili tum kibang nang nepti nang ko. Will you be held responsible? Kali nang lisi responsible. Nili tum point bang.
कचले में लिदे अंता लगे
तो हलम ओय सके
लाइ के दी आसो कचलम का मन दे
इनी के
तो इले कथा न होय
दिफु रीजनल केएसए निलितुम दिफु रीजनल फ्लीडो तो केएसए रीजनल फ्लीडो बोगाजान हारोगा दिफु हमरेन पेन हारोगा निलितुम सामिदलो इनी दिफु लो लासी ला पॉइंट बैंक नंगली थानो ला पोले के दिफु रीजनल रीजनल only to my demands to the point ini oh rukiya chalo jalan
We implore your office to refrain from the politicizing the land of the indigenous Karbi people, ensuring that their interests are protected, preserved, and prioritized. First point. Second point. No land to post. 1951 settlers. It is imperative that no land is issued to the non-tribal who settled in Karbi Anglong after 1951, as this would be undermine the rights, privilege, and very identity of the Karbi people. Evict illegal settlers. We request that your office initiate the immediate and through the eviction drive to remove all illegal settlers from Karbi Anglong, thereby safeguard the territorial integrity, rights, and interests of the Karbi people. Number 4. No land rights to the non-tribal. In accordance to the Constitution provisions, we urge to your office to uphold the rights of the Karbi people, not by granting the land rights to the non-tribal, ensuring that our ancestral lands are protected. Investigate and terminate officials involved. We demand a true, transparent, and impartial investigation to the issuance of the land spata to non-tribals and subsequent terminations of all officials involved in the irregularities, ensuring accountability and justice. We trust that your office will take our demands seriously with the most urgency and concern and take prompt actions to protect the rights, interests and the futures of the Karbi people. We look forward to a positive response and resolution to this pressing issue, which are far-reaching implications of our community. These time is of the essence, and we urge our office to act swiftly to address our concern. We are confident that your leadership will ensure and protect our rights and interests. Thank you for your immediate attention on this critical matter. La isi bangke nang litum office ko pilo, impela isi bangke penelo. Ako isilam nang litumbang ning cipik non. Ada kengsang asotum daga bang pen. Len kota ke semar. Nilitum Karbilo Charlie asong representative kai ke nilitum nang hilat bola dak. Judi ke tek long lo, taben ka chini long lo putan ke. Nang lipini nang lian si responsible person SAD nang li ke bang penapot. Nang li phana choni nila pen department di nang litum chingwai no nilitum ke belek atum judi len kota ke banal dang tinong lok yang tinong lok nilitum sodak pen inside. Nang responsible chen popo. Di action chen bola. Laso office ke imitang khai sende amondol pen nang lok escape pen nang lok pen nang lok open dang lok. So pen nang khai sende kapre ka so phan judi na illegally mane kapre ka so phan dak hem lu tong le mang napang tek dak pote nang li responsibility anang ko.
La memorandum alo si pinai sa.
Nang litum.
Methang hem le methang tum chilut long le aron gali lage.
Ako laso ang pangalo.
Aron gali lage.
Amondol atum.
Alo si memorandum tigong bet nei.
Ladi litum hoju ne. Ako laso.
Methang hem methang office atik itu mong se hong tikuk. Alo chilut long le bana ko pula.
Laso dalal tu phali tu pangthek bom lo. Laso hala thona litum priti action chain tu methang kar biang bong tame. Alo so action chain e bisaminang li responsible chain ang ko. Pili lada katu ko itum dolo. Te mahala su responsible e putante mahala su katu ko be actions kami nang lisi katu be responsible chain ko manang. Ha?
Alo dah kali. Hong tikuk nang lulong nai dah kali.
Amar office hoy. Ami 5 জন হক 6 জন 10 জন হক আপনার পারমিশন নাই 10 জন
নাই আমি অফিসার ভিতর নুহুমা আমি বাইরে থাকিম অফিসার ভিতর নহয় আমি অফিসার ভিতর আমি নুহুমা আমি বাইরে থাকি
নাই আমার কথা শুনক স্যার আমার কথা
ভিতৰৰ পাছত আপোনালোকে এনেকা কৰিলে শুনো
হংদুত লুলং নাই স্যার হংদুত লং নাই
কোনোবা
মেথাং আহেন সি মেথাং তুম চিলু লং লে
কোনোবা ঘৰত যোৱা আপোনাৰ ঘৰত মই আহিছে হলে একদম মই বুজিছো আপুনিও ভিতৰত আহিব দিব নিজে ট্ৰাইবেল মানুহ একদম বুজিছো আপুনিও ভিতৰত আহিব দিব তুনা দিম ইট ইজ এন ইনসাল্ট টু দ্য কান্ট্ৰিজ